Oh, this is the Travelodge, room 205. Quite nice, lakeside shopping centre. Yep, so I arrived about an hour ago. It's 10 past 11 now. I must have arrived about, I don't know, 20 past 10 or something. So it's just the usual setup. For a Travelodge, room 205. That's my room.
Doors closing.
$24 bar apparently, so bar's open 24 hours.
Opening.
That's main
Doors closing.
entrance. So this is like the actual car park. The overspills across there, just the multi-storey car park. And it's quite nice here though. It's a nice Travelodge, nice building, quite nice. And the overspill car park is just across there. It's free parking, so I couldn't see that sign earlier. I asked the reception where it was, but obviously you could tell it was completely covered with bushes, so anyway, it's quite nice here. So it's like a casino or whatever it is over there. It's Lakeside Shopping Centre, and the rail station's just on the other side there. Chafford. So that's the mileage I've done today, 510, well actually it was about 8.5 miles on the clock because before I'd done the journey. So we just over 500 miles, about 502 miles or something. I've done all three. That's including the Leeds as well, going into Leeds. So that's me now in the overspill car park, just parked up for probably the weekend. I won't need it tomorrow all day, and Sunday I'll probably just leave it here again Sunday. See what happens. I've got a train into London. So that's it, good work, a long drive. So that's it, parked up. It's in the overspill car park. It's the blue one, just right opposite the Travelodge basically. Multi-storey car park. Oh, the lovely lorries just there. And the Travelodge just over there. So as I say, that's the overspill. And that's just going towards the Lakeside Shopping Centre and the casino and all the rest of the things, nightclubs. And just parked there. So tomorrow I'll go down to London. The 5th of arrived here at the Travelodge. 25th, Friday, 25th of November, 25th of July 2024. My brain's absolutely just exhausted after all the driving and that I've done and the big day that I've had. So very good. I need to do my unpacking. I'll go to bed because I'll be up about 8 o'clock to aim to get the train for about 10 to get to London for plenty of time. I think it's about 12 o'clock. Oh, it's July 27th, 2024, here at London, and not far from the Big Ben and the sightseeing wheel. So just a few pictures and videos here, just a short stay. Bushmaster, it's a diesel engine in it. Some of our engines in them, I can hear them. sounded like there's an engine. It could be a series hybrid. I'm just going to that Fuller's Bar again. I was at last time. If I could get in, if it's busy. So there's definitely an engine sound from these Morris Masters jam packed. You could hear it. 12,630 kilograms unleaded weight. So there is an engine sound. I think it might be a series hybrid sound. It's the Red Lion. I was in there before. I might go in there for a pint if it's not too busy. If we could get in, it's 10 Downing Street, just on the left. Well, Saturday night, 27th of July 2023, and the pub's shut. It's only 7:30 at night. 7:30 and the pub's closing. Another one in the other corner is shut as well. So that's another series hybrid bus. Set an engine on it. Hear it. It's like the same as what the electric buses are, on that type of bodywork.
Please stand back from the platform edge.
This is a District Line train to Upminster. The next station is Blackfriars.
I'm just back at Fenching Street, or Fenchurch Street, or whatever it is, and checking that plane. Just having a coffee, and then I'll get the train back to the hotel. It's the Lakeside Shopping Centre Hotel. The Thurrock Travel Lodge. So I'm just changing at West Ham. I get the train that goes to Chalfont 100. This is just like that's the South End, Chalfont 100. We're going to Fenching Street. I was going to Grays, but it doesn't go via Chalfont 100. I've got to get the other ones going to South End via Grays. It goes to Chalfont 100. So this is West Ham. It's a tube train, District Line. So it's going to Fenchurch Street, that one, that's on the other side, the side angle one. It's going back into London, but obviously I'm not going on that one today. I'm going to just filming this type of train that I'm going to be catching, C2C. training coach coming in, I believe. I think, maybe not. No, it's not. It's obviously not coming on this now. Well, no, it'll be coming on this side maybe. Because it's going to be coming up from London, won't it? And heading up that way. I think that's my train coming up this time, in fact it is.
That's actually new. You know, it's the new one. It's quite long.
Crashing to go to Fenton Hill. Fenton Hill, sorry. Chafford 100. Get myself on it because it's sort of like stopping quite a bit away. So I'm back at Chafford 100. It's quite a long day. The train I got to get to Chafford 100. Just pulling off now. It's heading to Southend or something. And the Lakeside Shopping Centre, I think it's just over there, in that direction. Lovely sunset colours. So, this is back to where I started. The hotel's just across there. It's quite a long day today. It's a Dartford crossing in the distance. That's it. Saturday the 27th of July 2024. You're at London, well, in a Lakeside Shopping Centre on the outskirts of London, but I was in London earlier on. I'll go back in again tomorrow to tour around the centre of London. So that's it for today. I'm going to just get a pint or something at the 24-hour bar in the Lakeside Thurrock Travel Lodge. It's a 24-hour bar apparently, so that's what it said at the reception. So 25 to 10 at night, so I mean there's like a lot of stuff, sort of restaurants and that over there in the shopping bit, but the hotel apparently is one of the Travel Lodge 24-hour bar. Anyway, that's it for tonight. Well, that's it for today.